All right, so I forgot to film the other side, but we're gonna do this side. This is the passenger side of my Jeep JK, and I got a little damage from sending it a little too hard. So we're gonna replace this. I picked up a Yukon Chromoly passenger side Dana 44 axle, Yukon brand. It's so pretty. I had Lee's Tire and Auto here in Florence do the pressing the bearings on and getting these pressed in. We did this ourselves last time, and this about kicked our butts because we just don't have the tools that John's got, John Lee. But anyway, so a lot of times when you're doing this, we've seen online and we've done it. You got to raise it up and then let one side down. The side that you're working on needs to be higher. That way your diff fluid doesn't leak out the side that you're taking off. So yeah, we're gonna just take off all the brake stuff and then get right to it. All right, got the brake caliper out of the way. That's 13 millimeter on the back side of the brake caliper, and then 18 millimeter on the back of the piece that holds it. All right, then we got 18 millimeter on the back side of the wheel assembly. All right, now this is not in any manual about what to do, but if you try pulling one of those, it's not easy to pull. This sucker right here weighs about, I don't know, what do you reckon, about 150, 200 pounds? Ish. Yeah, so we're gonna use the Cool Runnings bobsled team mentality to slide this out of here. And here we go. You gotta think about it.
It don't take as much as you think it is.
1, 2.
Not smart enough to remember that.
This is how we learn. Hey, hey, success. Moved up. Now we're having the insertion. It's all smooth from here. It's like a government job, man. We got one guy working and 4 guys standing around watching. I like it. Yeah, it's like a certain pattern. Yeah, like a surgeon, you can say, "Someone towel me." We could towel you. It's like it's on the precipice.
Yes, so I've been buying 3 or 4 at a time.
Yeah, that looks a little better. It ain't.
Is it hung up on the bottom? This is how you know when you're getting almost done. Start tightening stuff down. That was a lot easier than the first time we did it.